Now we are going to take something new, which is talking about writing ratios in the form 1 to n. What is the meaning of this title? How can we write ratios in the form 1 to n?
I don't know.
Okay, I will explain now. So here, I want to make the first term of this ratio is equal to 1. So here, this ratio, I want to make it 1 to n. This means that I want to keep the first term of the following ratios is equal to 1. So if we look at the first one, letter A, 2 to 12. I want to make this ratio in the form 1 to n. That means that I want to make the first term here, which is 2, is equal to 1. How can we make 2 reach to number 1? We will decrease 2. So we can simplify the ratio and make first term is 1. So we can divide each term of the ratio by 2. Why we divide by 2? To make this 2 is equal to 1. If we divide the first term by 2, it will be equal to 1. And then, as we do with the first term, we do the same step with the second term. So we can divide 12 also by 2 to be 6. So here we convert the first ratio, which is 2 to 12, to another ratio in the form of 1 to n, which is equal to 1 to 6. So what we do here, we only divide by 2 to make the first term, which is 2, is 1. Okay? And then letter B, can you guess how can I make 5 to 15 in the form of 1 to n?
3 divided by 5, so you could do 5, so you could do 1 rate to 3.
Yes, very good. So here we will divide each term of this ratio by 5, so it will be 1, 2, 3. Excellent. The next one, letter C.
1 to 35 will be 10 divided by 5, which would be 2 and 35. You could do 2 ratio 7.
No, I want to make the first term 1. How can I make 10 1? We can divide each term of ratios by 10, even if we get decimals. Never mind if we get the decimal in any term of this ratio. So here I will divide it by 10. Why? I want to make this 10 is 1. So I will divide each term of this ratio by 10. So if we divided 10 by 10, we will get 10. And then if we divided 35 divided by 10, it will be a decimal number. Never mind, I will write it 3.5. So what is, if we divided 10 by 10, it will be 1, and then 35 divided by 10, it will be 3.5. So the ratio 10 to 35 is converted to 1 to 3.5. So
That's kind of confusing. I didn't fully understand that. Wait, so 10 divided by 1
yes,
makes it 1. So
no,
we'll
10
do
divided by 10 equal 1.
10 divided by 10 equal 1. And then 35 divided by 10.
It will be 3.
Okay, no, I see now.
Okay, the next one, letter D, 4 to 10. So I want to make the first term is 1. So here we have here in the first term number 4. So we can divide each term of this ratio by 4 to make the first term is 1. So if we divided the first term by 4, it will be 1, and this is what we need to reach to it. And then don't worry if we get fractions or decimals in the second term. So here if we divided 10 by 4, we will get, you can use long division.
Mhm.
10 divided by 4, it will be 2, and we will get here 8, then subtract, it will be 2. So we can, I want to get rid of this remainder. How can we get rid of this remainder? So
But
here we
decimal
can put, yes,
and
decimal point,
zero.
excellent, and put 0, very excellent, and then bring down this 0 next to number 2 to be 20.
Wait, did you say divide the 4 by 4, right? So 4 divided by 4 equal 1. Okay.
Yes,
Uh,
this one is divided by, yes.
4.
So now we have 20. 20 divided by 4, it will be 5. And then we can write down here 20 and then subtract. So we can get rid of the remainder and reach to 2.5 as a result of dividing 10 by 4. So we have here a decimal, never mind, don't worry. We can keep it itself, so the ratio it become 1 to 2.5.
Wait, Miss, how did you get 2 out of it? So it's because, how did you get 2 up there over the 10?
Okay, because here if we write down table 4, I want to where we can find 10 in table 4. If we write down table 4 here, 4 by 1 it will be 4, 4 by 2 it will be 8, 4 by 3 it will be 12. So we can write, so we can find number 10 here exists between 8 and 12, okay?
Ah,
So
okay.
we will look at above the arrow, we can find here 2 and 4, so we can write 2 up and 8 down and then subtract as we do in the long division.